Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make a really easy mosaic window, I guess. Kind of that's like colorful window. You'll see what I mean later in Heartopia. So let's get windows here. Let's grab the modular brick windows. Hopefully you have this. And we're going to color the frames the same, but we're going to color the inside part of it like different colors. And I'm just going to place them kind of randomly here. You can also change the colors every now and then. Let me just do that actually. So let's recolor this, and then I'm just going to color it like green here. And then we're going to place I don't know, oops, blue. Maybe let's do orange. And then here we're going to kind of similarly to that. Oh my gosh, I keep coloring the frame of it. Then here I'll do purple, doing that thing again. And then let's do yellow maybe. I don't know. It's just going to be in different places. It's fine. Then we are going to press move. We're going to move these, or maybe you can actually do more than one. Let me actually do that on just this wall so I don't take too much of your time. Let's do it on this wall first. And I'm just going to glitch it like this. There we go. Then press move, the multi-select tool, move all, and then we're just going to place it here. Then we're going to glitch that. Okay, let's do that again, shall we? And make sure you kind of remember where they're placed at. Also, this is just what I'm going to do. Then I am going to get another one, and I'm going to kind of change the colors so it doesn't match. So the first one's blue and pink. So let's do yellow or something like this. And then I'm gonna place it somewhere random here. Then you're just going to select complete. And again, you can kind of place them in other places, but this is just the example of it. I don't really want to be too tedious about it. So let's go to edit and let's go back to that. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. I think I integrated this one too well with the other colors, so I might not do that and do the one that I did on top, as you can see, because it did show different colors. But I think for these ones, hold on, it was too much together, so maybe I'm not going to do that. And as you can see, it creates different colors of windows, and if you put it at a certain amount of time, it will show a little bit more. Maybe I have to go in this mode. As you can see, very pretty when there's a sunset. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!